As the market pops up on 4th April 2022, let me connect you to 15th August 1971. While India was closing in on the Independence Day celebrations mood, in US, President Nixon on that day disbanded the fixed peg between dollar and gold, which was in existence under the Bretton Woods systems since 1944. 1 troy ounce of gold was pegged to $35. As the secondary market price of gold breached this mark, the US found it no longer sustainable to hold on to the peg. Let me fast forward to 30th March 2022. In Russia, Putin has pegged 1 gram of gold to 5,000 rubles. And in quick succession, we have seen Dalip Singh from USA and the Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov visiting India. Let us wait and see whether political sense or commercial sense will sustain. The March 2022 GST collections hit a record number of 1.42 lakh crores. The Nifty responded with a last hour surge, 17,670. Stocks like IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals, Spandana Smurti, Sahyadri Industries, and Vector Foods hit the 20% upper circuit. The options volatility VIX 50 cooled significantly to 18.44. The year saw a cumulative pullout from the markets by FIIs to close to 2,75,000 crores. Yet the rupee remained supported and closed at 75.79 on Thursday evening. The dollar reserves of RBI continued to dip for this week too and ended at 618 billion. In the coming week, rupee could trade in the same range against the dollar, but an appreciating bias is likely. The US benchmark 10-year yield softened to 2.40%. So also, Brent cooled to $103 per barrel, and gold also declined to $1,926 per ounce. The Nasdaq remained supported at Nasdaq 100 remained supported at 14,838. The Reserve Bank has announced the auction calendar for the first half of the financial year for its and front-loaded it with 60% of the 15 trillion mark. This has been also followed by an announcement of auction of $5 billion of sell-buy swaps. If on 26th of April 2020, if this could drain out durable liquidity, the interest rates in the market are likely to keep rising. Though the 31st March 2022 valuation purposes, the yield for benchmark 10-year yield was at 6.84%. Very soon, a breach of 7% is likely. Have an interesting week ahead.